So we are doing the gravitational problems from Erudo. So here in this problem we are going to simply derive these three results which we are going to use quite frequently in many of the gravitational problems. So you must remember these three results so that in the later problems you don't get confused when we will directly use these equations. So this equation gives a relation between velocity and radius. This one gives between time period and radius, and this gives between time period and velocity. So these are all the three relations between velocity, time period and radius of the orbit around a circular orbit which is going around a circular path. So a planet of mass m moves along a circle around the sun with velocity which is given in a heliocentric reference frame. So this simply means that our reference frame is with sun as center, because in reality sun itself also moves, but we are not bothering about that by keeping our reference frame as the sun itself. We need to find the period of revolution. So we need to find the relation between v and time period. So let's do that by writing our standard equation F is equal to ma, and gravitational force is this. A is v square by r. So simplifying that, we get v is equal to root g ms by r. So this is our first relation between velocity and radius of the orbit. Now t is 2 pi by omega and omega is v by r, or you can think of time as the length of the circumference divided by velocity. Now here we can put the value of r with respect to v, or we can put the value of v with respect to r from this equation. So if you put the value of r, we get the relation between time and v which we wanted in this problem. And if you put the value of v with respect to r, we get a relation between t and r. So in this problem we need this equation, and we need to know the mass of sun. For that, velocity is given, gravitational constant we know, and we'll get our answer 225 days. So once again, just make sure you remember all these three formulas. At least you should be comfortable with the relation between v, r and time. All right.